Namaste, Vanakkam. Once again, we are back with you with the Travel Souvenir channel. So, the two modifications we have done for our Eeco van is one, we have solved the water storage system, and the next one is for camping. We realized that we need to have exterior lights. We proudly want to showcase what we have done for our water system. So, as promised in the last video, I told you that we are working on a water system based on the rooftop with some pipes. So, this is what we have done. So, we've got some 3-inch pipes, and we have arranged them in this pattern, and we have moved our solar panel on top of it. So, this had slightly increased the height from the roof rail, but we have an effective water storage system which is capable of carrying about 35 liters of water, without. So, this has saved a lot of space from our cabin by moving the water system up there. So, this has kind of organized our cabin a bit more. There's no spillage issues now of water, and also we have water handy for the use. We have about 35 liters of water handy for use. So, we have one water inlet, and we have a valve-based water outlet. So, we'll quickly show how we have gone about doing it. For this, we have used some 3-inch pipes, and we have designed a pattern by which we can use maximum use of the roof space and store maximum water. And why we chose this design? We believe that this design is going to give us minimum stability issues. By stability issues, I mean is when we are driving and suddenly you have to apply a brake. If you are carrying a water tank on the roof, you can have a wave formation, because of sudden braking, and this can cause stability issues. This can add up to the problem while driving. Also, when you are going upslope and downslope, carrying water in the tank is not a feasible idea. So, by this arrangement, we believe that stability issues are reduced considerably, and we're going to have a test drive today with full tank. And we could have gone for larger storage space if we had not catered for this height increase for placing our solar system. This we realized it once we have constructed the whole thing. We realized that we could have gone for a 4-inch pipe as well. But anyway, so far 35 liters is good for us. and then we'll be carrying, for the drinking water, we'll be carrying 10 liter or the 20 liter water can. So we'll have water ready for our use all the time. Also, we have made slight modification with placing our solar panel on the rooftop. So what we had realized that earlier we had fixed it on the roof rail, so which was fixed. There was no change possible. So if by any chance, if they, if the sun, you are in a camping area and the sun, you need to change, or you are moving in a certain direction, and sun is in a certain direction, and you want maximum sunlight, you couldn't alter the solar panel. So now what we have done is we have fixed a hydraulic jack to one of the panel side, and so you can angle it now. You can actually lift it and place it in an angle, so thereby maximum sunlight energy can be drawn. And by parking the vehicle or stopping the vehicle in such a direction and just raising it, you can get the maximum solar energy. Also, we needed this arrangement to get access to our inlet valve. So we'll show the mechanism how it goes. Let's see. So we have now 3 latches which fastens the solar panel to the frame. So once we have done this, and there's a small latch here also. So we have fixed this hydraulic jack over here. So now we can now park the vehicle in such a direction where you get maximum sunlight like this. Also, I have access to my water inlet from here. So now you can see Vipin is opening the inlet valve. Now using a pipe or a motor, you can fill the tank with the water, fill the water storage with water. So we have actually, for the test purpose, we have used through a hose, we managed to fill it correctly. And this is the valve. So this is the outlet valve. As you can see, the outlet is now connected to a hose. We have used a 5 meter, not 5 meter, maybe around 3.5 meter hose pipe with the spray gun, and this we can conveniently use for the cleaning and the washing part, even shower if you need. Now I am going to show you the working of our water storage system. So you can see that we have filled the tank now. We have filled it up completely, and so I'm going for a different setting. I can use it conservatively. I can go for a less pressure settings, I wanted shower. So now this is the shower option. Jet. Mist option, then you have full option. So this is to use water. We have used this one. It doesn't create so much of a pressure, but to use it conservatively, this is more than enough. So we'll be saving water like that. So we've used this one. So this is as far as the water storage system is concerned, and we are quite happy with what we are quite happy with the result that has come out. So for closing, it's very simple. We just attach the string here, just pull it down, and close it. That's it. This takes care of, if I want I can. It's very simple. And close this part also. So this has secured our solar panel with a fully functional water storage system, ready to go. So instead of moving out with one torch or a floodlight, it's better that we have, you know, some lighting all around. And so we got an idea of buying LED strips, and we had placed LED strips. So this one is a weatherproof strip. So any kind of outside weather is not going to hamper it. And we have placed it all over the vehicle in such a way that it's fully concealed. You can see that it is not visible now. But we have a fully functional, very effective lighting system outside now. So as per the RTO regulations, we are not supposed to use too much lights on the outside of the vehicle. So if you've gone for a fixture like this, on the roof or something like that, this would have easily caught the attention of the RTO. We didn't want that, so we've gone for this system. As you can see, you can hardly make out, just take a round of this. You can see that you cannot make out that you have any lightings on the outside, but we do have. Yeah, this is as far as the modifications we have done for the water storage system. Hope you've liked our video, and hope you have liked our arrangement. If in case you have any suggestions or any problems we had overseen, if you can foresee something like that, and please don't hesitate to add in your comments and suggestions. We would be very happy to take your suggestions very seriously. And so this is as far as our latest modifications are concerned. Thank you very much. Do stay subscribed for our existing travel souvenir family, and for the people who are watching for the first time, if you like our videos, please do subscribe. Hit the like button if you like our contents. Stay safe. See you next very soon.